Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your 1800flower.com website order.
Method 1. Cancel 1800 flowers order via phone. Call the 1800 flowers support team at 1800-227-5387. One of their team representatives connect with you on a call. Ask them to help you in cancelling your order. Provide them with your order details and personal information. They will then check the status of your order. If your order is not out for delivery yet, then they will cancel your order, otherwise the order is delivered to you. Method 2. Cancel 1800 flowers order via email. Another effective way, especially for introverts, to cancel their 1800 flower order is by sending an email to their team regarding your order cancellation. Make sure you add all the necessary information related to your order, such as order number, items you ordered, contact number, etc. Write a well-composed email in which you clearly mention that you want to cancel your order and send that composed email to custserve@1800baskets.com. If your order is in cancellation status, then they will cancel your order. Confirmation for your order cancellation is sent to you in your email. And you are done.
And all official ways, all methods you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your 1800flower.com order, and hope you like this video. If yes, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.